Welcome to the release of the largest diffuser collection ever. Diffusers V2. Glow LEDs has created 13 reimagined diffuser shapes, 2 of which are brand new, all with a selection of different sizes and a wide range of colors, creating over 1,000 different diffuser combinations. We've been silently rolling out the Diffuser V2 improvements over the last few months, so for those of you who have recently bought our diffusers or diffuser adapters, just like our glow skins, they have been updated and now are made with a semi-flexible material so that it fits better on every microlight. Customizing your own gloving setup that's unique to you is something that Glow LEDs deeply values, and hopes to bring that to all light show artists. Most diffuser shapes, for example, are domes or triangle prisms, now offer 4 different sizes: micro, mini, standard, and mega, giving you different weights and feels to your light show. Each diffuser also comes with 11 different colors to choose from. We now have frosted, red, orange, yellow, green, teal, blue, purple, violet, pink, and finally, clear, which has been a major request from the community. We've also added a centering style modification: closed or open. The closed centering style provides a traditional look to your diffuser. The open centering style is a homage to the OG fisheye diffusers, which gives a hot spot right in the center, adding layers to the look of the diffuser. We are also introducing 2 brand new shapes to our lineup. First one is the claw diffusers, which come in mini and standard. And our second, the visor diffusers, which now come in round, triangle, square, hexagon, and octagon. And again, for both lineups, you have the ability to choose either the closed or open centering style. Seeing a light modification that no one has ever seen before is one of the most exciting things about gloving, and with the new Diffuser V2 release, the possibilities are endless. Visit glow-leds.com right now to start your diffuser collection, and use my code AlohaNation for 10% off.